Hi everyone, so I'm back to do an unboxing of Your Creative Studio for the month of, I can't remember, haven't opened it yet. So, does it say on here, April, May, can't remember, one of them. Sorry, can't remember, but I will put it in the description box below. So I got that yesterday evening, and I don't know, it's kind of got autumny colours, I don't know, I'm excited to look. So I'm going to take this out the box. I need to find something to store all my stuff in from Your Creative Studio. So again, it's always lovely packaged. Oh, exciting. Right, okay. So, oh wow, look at them, how cool are them. They, straight away, I know that that is going to go in my personal junk journal, some of these. So that's the papers. There's quite a lot in here as well, and normally with these papers you get like papers, the papers come in different forms, like that's vellum. You get some like they're sticker backed, I think. How cool is that? Yeah, some are, I think they're sticker backed, some are just plain paper. Normally that's how it goes. Yeah, you can tell by the feel. Oh, I love this. I need to, oh, I like that, that's pretty. How cool are them pages? I need to get that journal out because I haven't done anything in that in forever. So yeah, that's, you get all them. I don't know how many sheets are in that. Does it say 6, 12, 24 pieces? Oh yeah, I think that's what it is, 24 pieces there. So that is that. Let's see, that's sort of the cardboard, and then we've got some masking tape. Oh, do you just tear that off? Sorry, I was trying to work that one out. My lighting is rubbish, I do apologise. Right. Oh yeah, that's going to be good to play with. Wow. Yeah, kind of like playing with that. I'm gonna stick that back in there, hopefully not to get it all stuck. So I'll have all the links below to Your Creative Studio. Subscription boxes, I think you can buy one-offs. So what are these? These are travel themes, I think, because it says travel down there. So it's like tickets. Excuse me, my voice is going all groggy. Yep, so that's cool. Oh yeah, cool. Be good for collaging as well. Yeah, you can get long strips of them. How many did you get? 30 pieces in that. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is well cool. Oh. So peel the individual stamps from the back end, stick to an acrylic block for stamping. Oh, cool. Look at all them. The artist brushes and little markings and the brush strokes and things. That is really cool. I like that. What's this? Stickers, little stamp stickers. Cool are they? Oh, I like these kind of packs. I like the packs. There's a lot in this. Oh, my fingers don't want to work now. There's a lot in this kit. Like I said, it'll be on the description box. Not the description box, the title of the video, what month this is. I think it's April or May. So these are, I think these are stickers, and then you've got these sheets here. I love that big postcard. Lots and lots to play with. Oh, and I like the kind of like handmade paper. Don't know if it is real handmade, I can't do that. Handmade paper, it probably is. How cool is that? And then you get these stickers. I like these. These are good for making tags and adding them to collage sheets when you've done them. So we'll set that there. Making a right mess. Let's get this. And you know all the cardboard packaging, that when you've used it, or if you take it out and you put all these into other things. Oh, there's lots of little bits here. Are they stickers or are they just die cuts? Ephemera pieces. I think they're just like die cuts. They are pretty. I love the colours. Very autumny colours. Ideal. I'm going to add some of these. I'm going to be doing another little autumn journal. So, oh, how cute is that? So yeah, you get all these very autumnal. They're very autumnal. And I'll pop them back in so I don't lose them. And then here we've got more little tickety bits and string. Keep all the string as well because it comes in very, very handy. Oh, I can't open that. These nails. I need to change my nails. Right. I think these are stickers. Oops, that's stuck to the sticky part of the bag. Oh, they're nice. I like them because they're kind of semi-clear, if you know what I mean. You get that. Oh, they're cute. Oh, love the little camper van. Husband wants one of them and he's like 6'2". I'm like, you're not going to go well with that with your bad back. They are cool. I love all them. Have a good trip in New South Wales. Edinburgh. It's Edinburgh Fringe at the moment up in Scotland. Got a few of my friends my family and friends have gone there. So I'll set that there. We've got some, oh, this is masking tape. It's like washi tape. I like to try to save everything here. I love the colour of that. Yes, very autumny. Autumnal. So that's that one. We've got all these little stamps. I'm not going to take them all out. Then here we've got a cling stamp. That's not gonna, I'm just gonna use that to try not to like cut my arm off. Again, it's all artist themed. How cool. How cool is that? So that is them. And then, oh, where is it? It's another one. Oh, that's what it is. It's a little paint palette. Shows you on there, Sell Yvonne. And can't open that. Let's see. Oh, it's two. So you get a little paint palette there, like, and the artist thing there. Can't remember what it's called. Did I call that a palette? And then we have another cling stamp. I take it it's Mr. right there, the artist, probably some famous artist, and I don't know who it is. Oh, there's a couple. Oh, and the easel. How cool is that? I don't know who he is. He's obviously a famous artist. So that's a lot in that kit. That really is, and it's really, I don't know if it's still available, but I will put a link below to Your Creative Studio. You can go over, check it out, see what's there, sign up or buy one-offs. But if you're into junk journaling and you know, art journaling, all that kind of stuff, these are great for you. Absolutely great. So if you have any questions, just ask. Sorry, I'm just moving my camera. Just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.